Hey guys, welcome back for another video. So what we have here is canned chicken soup. So I prepped my carrots, celery, onion, garlic, and I chopped them all up and put them in a big bowl and mixed them all up. So I have here probably a little over half, good 2/3 of vegetables and then 1/3 of our chicken. And now I'm just going to ladle in our broth. It's back here on the stove. Just gonna fill this all up with broth, and then we're gonna pressure can these quarts for 75 minutes for my altitude. So you'll want to check on yours. I'm gonna leave a 1-inch headspace. And we're definitely going to be cleaning the rims with some vinegar because just in case there's any fat on there. But yeah, look how beautiful that is already. It's going to be so pretty when it comes out. And that's going to be a meal that's on the shelf that is ready to go. You can literally open that up and eat it right out of there cold if you need to, or you can just heat it up. So yeah, we're going to debubble this. We're going to clean our rims with some vinegar and then put our lid and ring on, and then we're going to pressure can it for 75 minutes. I'll see you guys back whenever it's done. Alright guys, so our chicken soup is done, and unfortunately I had a lot of siphoning out of the first batch, so a lot of the broth came out of the jar while it was boiling and cooking inside my pressure canner. So there were actually 2 that did not seal, so I would recommend for the next time just maybe giving, I left 1-inch headspace, but I would recommend a little bit more, maybe 1.5 to 2 inches with that broth. Because like I said, it just really got hot, and if you don't know what siphoning is here, I'll show you the jars real fast. These are the ones that are complete. So basically, when siphoning is, here's the broth level here. I filled it up to here, which would be 1 inch from the lid. But whenever you're pressure canning, and canning in general, steam is coming out of here. So the liquid boils, and then it siphons out of your jar, and then it drips down, obviously, into the inside of your canner. However, you know, sometimes, especially with the broth, you have the fat from the meat, and sometimes you don't get a proper seal. These ones here did seal, so that's good. And then I have a little bit more in the canner yet. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate it. Please like, share, and subscribe, and also leave a comment down below on what you're canning this fall of 2021. I'd really like to hear some maybe new recipes or new ideas. Please share your recipes too. I really appreciate it. So yeah, I really hope to see you guys again on my next one, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.